Well, welcome to all. This is Florida for Funshine. If you've been here before, then just welcome back. We have a good video here for you. Our trailer was kind of looking a little dull and dingy, and we decided to do a little bit of a cleaning on the entire trailer, especially the aluminum. If you can see, it's spotted up. And I've tried soap, I've tried degreaser, I've tried vinegar, and none of it seems to be working. But I found a product which I'll go ahead and show you at the end of this very short video that definitely did the job. So just take a look at what I'm dealing with, and then you'll see my process of getting this aluminum clean. So welcome to Florida for Funshine. Okay, let's spray this baby down. After finishing spraying, I took a Scotch-Brite pad and lightly just went over the rail that I just sprayed down with the liquid. I let it sit for about 3 minutes and then rinsed it off. Well, we did the entire trailer. I'm very happy with the results. Put in the comments, what do you think? Let me show you around. Well, thank you for spending the last 5.5 minutes with Florida for Funshine. We have 54 videos. Check them out. and become a subscriber. We'll love to have you on board and helping the channel grow. The product that we use on this, we bought at West Marine, and it's aluminum cleaner. So check it out. It might work for you. Flower for Funshine. We're out.